Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, I will show you how to sign in to your BingX account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the BingX app on your mobile device or go to bingx.com using your web browser. Now tap on the profile icon, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on login button. So here you can either log in with your email address or your phone number. For this video, we will be logging in through our email address. So enter your registered email address. So here you can either log in with your sub account also. Now tap next. Now enter your password. Double check to make sure there are no typos. If you cannot remember your password, you can tap on forgot password to retrieve it via email. There's also an option to continue with your Google account at the bottom. Now tap on login. Now security verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that real quick. Tap OK. You can also enable passkeys for faster verification. But for now, I will be skipping this one, so tap later. And yes, that's how you sign into BingX. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.